Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm doing couscous salad, and so easy and quick, and it's delicious as well. So I'm using 1 cup of couscous and 4 tablespoons of butter, and I boiled some water. So I'm adding that. The water and the couscous should be about half an inch from the couscous. Half an inch. So I'm just going to cover with the cling film. Make sure you cover properly, sealed. It doesn't get any air in there. So keep it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, let's see what happened. Looks alright. So I'm just gonna, yes, it's fine. So I'm gonna break all. It's not too soft, not too hard. Try to break all. It's fine. Now I'm gonna add, as you can see, it's looking good. So I'm gonna add all the vegetable now. You could use which one you like. I'm using parsley, red onion, and cucumber and tomatoes. You could add which kind of vegetable you like. So I'm gonna mix all of them, and it's so easy and quick and delicious as well for the hot weather. Thank you for watching my video, and see you on my next video. After I'll do for you a quick one. Enjoy.